I'm Sam McGahan. I work for Australian Vanadium Limited. We're bringing a vanadium deposit in Western Australia into production, and we're also focused on downstream activities in the vanadium-flow battery market. So we're just currently constructing a vanadium-electrolyte manufacturing facility in Western Australia, and that electrolyte's used in vanadium redox flow batteries. So we're also installing vanadium flow batteries as well. So it's a whole pit-to-battery solution. So the market for vanadium's traditionally been steel. So vanadium's used to strengthen steel, and 87% of the world's vanadium still goes into the steel market. But that portion that goes into energy storage has grown from about 2% a few years ago to heading for 10% at the moment, which is a really exciting time for us. Traditionally, as the vanadium's gone into the steel market, it's been beholden to the steel market for pricing. So we're hoping that having two markets to feed into will really help to stabilise the vanadium price. The use of vanadium in steel helps to reduce carbon emissions in the construction industry. And one of the most interesting facts about that is that through the use of vanadium in steel, there is a reduction in carbon emissions in the construction industry to the equivalent of planting 260 million trees per annum. So not only does it have a role in vanadium flow batteries, but it also has a really good, strong carbon emission reduction in steel. So vanadium flow batteries were invented in the 1980s at the University of New South Wales. So they're an Australian invention, but they were commercialised overseas. They're very different to lithium-ion batteries. They consist of two tanks of electrolyte, which are pumped round and round, and it means that you have different characteristics to a lithium-ion battery. They're non-flammable, they don't degrade, they have a 20-year lifespan, they have a slightly higher capex than the lithium-ion battery, and they're not suited to things like electric vehicles because their energy density isn't as great. So basically you need both lithium-ion batteries and vanadium flow batteries in our decarbonisation.